Slaw, everybody. Slaw. Slaw. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dro. So today I'm gonna be trying to learn Kurdish again. So recently I've been trying to learn a different type of Kurdish. You guys been telling me I've been doing like a hard Kurdish because Kurdish has a lot of different dialects. So you guys recommend for me to learn Kurdish Sorani, which is like, I guess, more easier to pronounce and I guess more it's more used, I guess, I don't know. So I'm going to learn Sla, okay? Anyways, so that's what we're doing. So if you want to learn with me, if you don't speak Kurdish, come on, let's go and learn something today. Okay, so let's go.
Slow.
Slow? Slow? That's the hardest word. I feel like, I don't know, like it's hard because like I don't have somebody who would tell me like, oh my god, it's Dro, you saying it good. So I don't know, slow? Slow? Slow?
Well, basically, slow is very equivalent to
It's like slow.
in English. We do not use slow in our daily
Slow. So I'm saying it right. Slow. Slow. Slow Kurdistan.
Choni bashi.
Choni bashi. So I know I've been saying choni bashi. That's how are you. I know that, but it's since it's more than one person, I need to know like how are y'all? You know?
You can combine these two phrases actually. Slow, choni bashi.
Slow, choni bashi.
Bashi basically means that, you know, it's equivalent to how are you in Kurdish. Choni means how are you. Bashi means you good.
Choni means how are you and bashi means you good. So are you good? Okay.
Are you good? It's like
yes.
in Chinese. You know?
My name is Chica Slim Shake. What? Okay. Manam. Okay, so how do you say that? Manam Asada?
My name is Chica Slim Shady, alright? Manam Azada Manam Kamwe.
Manam Azada Manam Kamowe.
So that means my name is Azad, my name is Kamo. You can omit min, you can say Naum Azad.
Manam is Dro, yeah.
Or Naum Kamoe, but let me give you just a quick insight, alright? If your name ends with, if your name is ended with the consonant, like D here, you just add A.
Oh, okay.
But if it is ended in vowel, like my name.
Okay.
Okay, Kamo, O, you just add ya.
Oh, okay, so for me will be Manam, it's Droya because it ends with a O. Manam is Droya. It's Droya. Manam is Droya. Manam is Droya. Manam is Droya. Manam is Droya. Sla. Choni. Manam is Droya. Okay, Tunima. I'm thirsty. Okay, yeah, because when I make reactions, I'm like, Tunima. Oh my gosh, Tunima. Garmama. Oh my gosh, Garmama today, y'all. Garmama.
I'm hot, or I feel hot.
Oh my gosh, Gargama, y'all. I'm so Gargama.
You see, you can use
Tunima. Gargama.
Tunima.
Garmama.
You just say Tunima, Garmama. Sarmama means I'm cold.
Sarmama. So it's Tunima, Gargama, and Sarmama. Those sounds very similar. Tumima, Gargama, Sarmana. Tumima, Garbana, Sarmana. It sounds like a song.
Joanna means
Joanna? Joanna sounds like a name, like my sister name is Joanna. And this sounds like, and this is a Spanish name, Juana. Hey Juana. But you guys say Joanna.
Nice, or it is noise. Okay.
It is nice. Okay, that's interesting because this in Spanish is a name. Like you can name somebody Juana, but we say Juana. We don't say Joanna. You say
noise?
No, we're similar.
Awachia.
Okay, so what is this? This is interesting because I use a lot. What is this, guys? When I'm watching a video and I'm like, what is this? I can say. So I'm gonna be using amachia. Amachia. Oh, this is hard. What do you do today? Amrochikurdo. Amrochikurdo. Amrochikurdo.
Which means, what did you do today? Amrochikur.
Okay, amrochikur. Amrochikur.
Amro means today.
Amro.
I think in Japanese it's ashita.
Amro. Okay, amro.
What?
Cheat.
Kid means did.
Amrochikur.
So amrochikur. What did you?
Okay, amrochikur. 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 Amrochikur.
You do today. Badla means I.
Oh, I like that. Okay, awan badala. Awan badala.
Like that, you know. I like that, man. I like that. So I like that is awan badla.
Okay, awan badla.
As I said that.
Awan badla. I like that. Awan badla.
Well, I mean.
Awan badla.
Or something, whatever. Awan badla.
Awan badala. Awan badala. Awan badla. Awan badla. Awan badla. There you go, everybody. I'm not gonna do like a lot of words because like learning the language is hard, so I'm just gonna focus on like the main more useful words that I should learn to kind of like talk in my videos. Like chonivashi, sla, awan badala, margami, turima. I promise you I'm gonna practice. It's hard, it's a new language, but you know, I'm here. Let me know in the comments below if I did okay. You be the judge and let me know if I'm pronouncing at least somewhat okay. You tell me, okay? I will appreciate if you tell me and judge me because I love you so much. And if you wanna win a free bottle from the call desk, I have a giveaway on my description box below where you can sign up and get a free bottle. Who does not want a water container if you work out, if you go to run? I don't know, it's multi-use. Just go ahead and sign up, okay? Love you, love you. XOXO, more videos on the screen. Get your like and thumbs up this video for more. Bye!